This is your grand and elegant living plus dining area. So this is your kitchen area. You can check out. This is your elegant master bedroom with a huge bed space. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Radiance Solitaire, a project developed by Radiance Realty, which is located in Madhavaram, Chennai. And today we are here to check out their model flat. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the marketing office of the project. We'll be getting all the information and detail and along with the model flat as well. About the land parcel that is right next to the marketing office itself. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss the project overview with the help of this miniature. So the project is constructed on total 5.3 acres of land parcel consisting of 3 towers, each tower of 2 basements tilt plus 17 and 14 floors, having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK luxurious premium residencies. Now about the amenities part, and the project will provide you 30 plus world-class amenities like of here's the 90,000 square feet of grand clubhouse with swimming pool with deck, garden area, indoor games, multi-purpose court, kids play area, here's the basketball court and many more amenities in the project. Now coming to the location part, and the project is located on Milk Colony Main Road in Madhavaram, Chennai. And let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically this road will take you towards Madhavaram roundabout and the opposite side road will connect you towards the Milk Colony inside itself. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Madhavaram Mofussil bus terminal in 4 kilometers from the project. Madhavaram new bus station is 850 meters away. Proposed metro station is just 200 meters from the project, and even you can connect to Botanical Garden in 1 kilometer from the location. Now here's your 1655 square feet of 3 BHK, and let's have a look at this beautiful 3 BHK. So here's the main entrance of your house. So before you enter, here let me show you they are providing with the digital door lock for your security purpose. And once you enter, this is your grand and elegant living plus dining area. So here's the living area where you can set your sofa set over here. Now exactly opposite to it is your dining space. So you can use your dining area over here. You can add your dining table like this. Easily you can fit in your 6 to 8 seater of dining table with attached balcony. So it has a connecting balcony as well. Here the balcony comes with anti-skid wooden finishing flooring, iron railing, and this balcony is much more spacious with 3 side covered. Now let's move further towards your kitchen area. So basically they have provided a dining area exactly in front of the kitchen area with the easy access. So let's move inside your kitchen area. So this is your kitchen area. You can check out, you can add up your parallel platforms over here. It is designed in such a way, and here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose additionally. Here's your enclosed dry balcony, that is the utility area which is divided by a tile rope to avoid the water spillage. There's a provision for machine as well. Now moving further towards your bedroom number 1, which is exactly opposite to your kitchen area. And here's your bedroom number 1. So once you enter in this bedroom, here's your spacious bedroom area with a bed space, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Here's the wardrobe space over here. You can add up a TV unit space and even a workspace exactly in front of a window. And now it has attached washroom as well with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now about your bedroom number 2. So exactly beside this bedroom comes your bedroom number 2 right here. So you can even have a look at this bedroom. which has a huge bed space, a wardrobe space as well. Even it is attached with the washroom as well. With anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now exactly in front of your bed, you can add up your work table or else your TV unit space, and here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And this side, the wardrobe space. Isn't it beautiful and spacious? Now about the master bedroom, but before moving towards your master bedroom, let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour, with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these features under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free on Housey.com. And now about the master bedroom. But before moving in, let me show you. Here's your common washroom area with a sink outside. Here's a sink area and the washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And now the most spacious and beautiful cozy room is here. So this is your elegant master bedroom with a huge bed space where there is ample of space to move around in the room. Here's the wardrobe space where you can add up your own long wardrobe area, the TV unit space, and even this side is your work table where you can add up your dressing table, your work table, and a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. So this was all about your 3 BHK in this project. How was it? Do let me know in the comment section below. Along with, as you all know, we are here at Radiance Realty Project. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then again let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of the project, all is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow, subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.